The rally history of the Porsche 911 well away from paved roads began before the first victory in the Paris-Dakar Rally in 1984. Early forays in the East African Safari Rally in the 1970s remain a strong memory. While the styling of the optional Rallye Design Package for the 911 Dakar draws heavily on the winning car of 1984, Porsche offers 3 exclusive wraps for the 911 Dakar that reprise the look of the 1971, 1974, and 1978 entrants in the East African Safari Rally. This decal kit is dedicated to the Rally 1971, 5th place for Polish 911 team. This event took participants more than 5,000 kilometers through savanna, desert scrubland and the highlands of Kenya and is regarded as one of the toughest rallies of all. Porsche undertook the challenge for the first time with a works team in 1971. Outwardly, the modified 911S models were only identifiable by the simple black decals on the bonnet, the front wings and the doors. The Rally 1971 decal set for the 911 Dakar revisits this design and adds the competition number 19, which belonged to the most successful 911 in this rally, a car that came 5th in 1971, driven by Polish drivers Sobieslaw Zasada and Marian Bian. The decal set is available for €4,165.